As a 2-in-1 unit, the Escort MAXcam 360c combines an enhanced version of the MAX 360c radar detector with a 1440p camera. For more radar detector videos like this, hit that subscribe button. While navigating heavy traffic in Detroit, I've come to appreciate the dash camera portion of the MAXcam 360c. I'll always be a radar detector enthusiast, but the dash cam provides that extra layer of security in case of an incident. The MAXcam records on a continuous loop, but the G-sensor activates an emergency recording mode when it detects a significant impact, like hard braking or a collision. It's also fun to watch your videos later, like this one of us driving over the Mackinac Bridge, which connects Michigan's lower and upper peninsulas. The radar detector portion includes Escort hallmarks like front and rear antennas, directional alert arrows, and auto-learn intelligence, which automatically locks out false fixed location alerts. Escort beefed up the false alert filtering on the MAXcam 360c, which is noticeable. An additional K-notch filter can be activated in the settings menu to reduce false alerts caused by certain vehicles and their radar-based collision avoidance systems. I have this turned on. Here in Detroit, I run my Escort MAXcam 360c in AutoLoK sensitivity mode, with the X bands off and different KA segmentation filters applied through the settings menu. Based on where I live, this minimizes K-band falses and ensures I'm scanning only the necessary frequency ranges for KA. The MAXcam 360c has similar hardware as Escort's flagship radar detector, the Redline 360c. Based on my experience, the dual antenna MAXcam falls somewhere between the Redline and the standard MAX 360c for detection range. Although the Redline 360c is still the top dog in Escort's lineup for range detection thanks to its triple antenna design, but the MAXcam can hold its own. The drawback is the Drive Smarter app. In theory, with the app, you can view and download footage from the dash camera and be notified of radar threats from the wider community of connected Escort owners in real time. Drive Smarter also includes a Mayday alert, a feature that allows you to input an emergency contact. In the event of an impact, a text message is sent to that contact. The app also stores incident reports to assist with the claims process during an accident. At the time of this video, I've still not had any luck getting those features to work through the app. Connection and crashing issues are still rampant within the Drive Smarter app, leading to a slew of ongoing one-star reviews. If you're looking to run an app with your MAXcam 360c, opt for Escort Live instead. It's a toned-down version of Drive Smarter. It's still not perfect, but it's a little better. The Escort MAXcam 360c has a hefty price tag, but it's worth it if you want to consolidate your radar detector and dash camera into one portable unit, or if you just like having the latest and greatest gadgets for your vehicle. It may not be worth the money if you are concerned about the app performance in its current form, or you just need a radar detector only and not the dash camera. 3 links are below to help you. The first goes to our comprehensive review, while the second takes you to Escort's website if you'd like to purchase it. The last link will take you to the Radar Detector Forum, where you can connect with other enthusiasts. For more radar detector videos like this, hit that subscribe button. In Detroit, with our Escort MAXcam 360c, I'm Carl Anthony.
All right, fellas, let's get one thing straight. The last Escort radar detector I had magically grew legs and walked off my desk. This one, not going to grow legs. This one is mine. If you would like to borrow it, the answer is no. I don't care if you buy me coffee. I don't care if Taylor Swift herself came into our Automoblog office and said, Carl, I want to borrow your Escort MAXcam 360c. You're the problem, Taylor, because I'll never get it back. No, no, no.